We are going to the tip of Borneo, um, about 159 kilometers. Will take us about 2 hours and 39 minutes. So, Liz, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Jayo, Jayo, yes, go. Woo.
Anyway, we have like 50 km to go. 49 minutes time remaining. Still far. Still far. Enjoy the road trip to tip of Borneo. We almost ran out of petrol, but luckily we found one petrol station at Batu 8 Kudat, just 20 to 30 km away from the tip of Borneo. It was in the reserve. Yeah, we are taking risk here, but Alhamdulillah, there's a petrol station here, and Liz is quite relieved. Alright, we are filling her up now. Okay, we have 16.2 km to the tip of Borneo. The car is full now, so we don't have to worry. Be happy. Okay, so we finally arrived, but not yet at the tip of Borneo, because the tip of Borneo is over the other side. So just take a look at this place. Look at this view. That's our car, so we have to stop here and then continue walking down there to the tip of Borneo. And if you can see from here, I believe that is the tip of Borneo. We parked the car over there, walked down the slope, up this slope, and then you have reached the tip of Borneo. It reads here the tip of Borneo. Okay, so here we are. It's so beautiful, super windy. I think we still can go down, but danger, not go beyond this line. So, Chinese here. And the Sulu Sea is over here. time to go back to our apartment back in the city of Kota Kinabalu. It will take us 3 hours and 16 minutes, 183 km. The reason why we go off earlier, not watching the sunset, because we do not want to travel in the dark, especially like places like this. So that's all. We'll see you guys back at the apartment.